How to unblock your friend on Facebook which you blocked. So if you blocked a certain friend on Facebook and you want to unblock them again, it's very simple to unblock them. Simply open the Facebook application and log into your account. Tap on the three lines option or the menu icon from the top right. If you're on iPhone, you can tap on the menu icon from the bottom right. Now once you're here, you want to simply go to this option, which is a settings icon, which will take you to settings and privacy. Over here you will see many options, but you can simply scroll down and look for an option that says blocking. If you don't find it, you can also just use the search bar in settings to search for the blocking options. So you just want to scroll down here and simply look for the blocking option and then just tap on it, and this is where you will see a list of people whom you have blocked. And if you want to unblock, you can also see the unblock button right next to it. This way you will be able to unblock your friend on Facebook which you have blocked. I hope that this video pretty much helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.